As you're working, you want to be as efficient as possible in the timeline, so navigating the timeline with hotkeys will be helpful. Holding Alt and left or right arrows will jump to the previous or next edit. The home and end keys will go to the beginning and end of the sequence. Using the comma and period will nudge clips. Holding Shift will nudge more. Holding Alt and pressing period or comma will move the clips vertically. If you land on a track with a clip in it, it will overwrite that area. With an item selected, press D and that will disable and re-enable the clips. U marks the clip. Shift U will mark a selection of clips. Using the I and O keys will mark the in and out as well. Holding Alt while pressing will clear either. Selecting a clip and pressing C will razor the clip under the playhead. Shift C will razor everything under the playhead. Backspace deletes the selected clip, and Shift Backspace will ripple delete and ripple clips downstream to close gaps. We can play back using the J, K, and L keys. The L key to move forwards, the J key to play backwards, K will stop the playback. Holding down the K key and pressing either J or L will move in steps. You can select a clip and then use the 2, 4, 6, and 8 keys on the number pad to move your selection throughout the timeline vertically or horizontally.